In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite teams in Microsoft Teams if you work with a lot of chats and team spaces throughout the day. Marking important ones as favorites can make your workspace much easier to manage. It helps keep the teams you use most often more visible, so you can get back to them quickly without scrolling around trying to find them every time. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat area. This is where you'll be able to view your conversations and locate the team you want to prioritize. Take a moment here to find the specific team you use most frequently or want easier access to in the future. If your list is busy, just scan through carefully until you spot it. Once you've found the team, move your mouse over it. When you hover over the team, additional options should appear. Look for the three dots, which usually open a menu of more actions. This menu is where Microsoft Teams places extra settings and organization tools for that chat or team. If you don't see the three dots right away, keep your cursor positioned over the item for a second, since the option may only appear when it's actively selected or hovered over. After clicking the three dots, a small menu will open. In that list of options, click Favorite. This will mark the team as a favorite, making it easier to find and access later. Favoriting is a simple way to organize your workspace, especially if you regularly switch between multiple teams during the day. If you're setting up Microsoft Teams for better productivity, this is a great small adjustment that can save time over the long run. It's especially useful for projects, departments, or collaboration spaces you need to check often. Keeping those important teams highlighted can reduce distractions and help you stay focused on what matters most. That's all it takes to favorite a team in Microsoft Teams. Open the chat section, hover over the team, click the three dots, and then select Favorite. It's a very quick process, but one that can make navigation much more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you organize your Microsoft Teams workspace a little more effectively.